A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Question. Where you feed pan? You feed pan breast milk? Or you feed pan tough food like yam and cocoa and cornmeal dumpling? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, we are wait pan. Just click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 5, from verse 11 to verse 14. A whole heap we have to say about the insignia where we are talking about. But it's hard if you broke it down to no, because you just not understand. Because when you shouldn't teach, you need somebody to teach you over the first sitting them where God say. You turn people we need milk. You can't yam hard food. Anybody will live on milk no really know where right from wrong, cause them are still baby. But hard food are for big people, cause they train themselves to know where right from wrong. So they know how to look on things. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.